Hello guys, we are here for Taxi Boss. I just buy another car. I'm gonna buy another car, guys. If you didn't like and subscribe, like and subscribe. Tap the tap tap the like. If you didn't like and subscribe to me, like and subscribe. Smack the like button. Now, 1,500 guys. This is 42, 44. No. You can find me. We just failed deliver on screen last week. The if you didn't see that, comment. Just comment and share. And then salut actually clearly be oh, I don't select that.
Why you didn't charge my tablet?
Sergey. Hello guys, now we're parking at her place.
Are you screen recording?
Yes. Guys, look. Okay, I'm parking. Okay, modern. Don't slide, bro. You're gay, bro. You're gay. I have money.
Inventory.
I know. I cannot answer effect. Monitor is rare. The spring is rare. The pipe is rare. The plus is rare. The turbo is rare. The gear is common. The gear. How to answer this? How to put this, bro?
Bro, you can own.
They
will put it.
We're gonna park this, guys. Wait. What the?
Rocky,
Oh,
please give me hacks.
Rocky 4 give me powers. In this, he buy me this, the luxury car. This one. He buy this. I don't care to you. You're gay too. I'm gonna boot your tablet. Cause you're gay. You didn't poop earlier. Guys, that man is not gonna poop because he's gay. That's for all, guys. That's for all, guys. Goodbye. Guys, goodbye.